Hello, today we will be reviewing how to navigate the project status updates in PMIS. Once logged on to the PMIS website, you can find your projects here under My Projects or in the CIP drop-down menu under Projects. Once all projects have loaded, you can filter for your project by using the filter tool here or the project number search box here. Or you can also select your project directly from the list. On the left-hand side of the screen are all features that help to define your project. Today, we will be focusing on the status update feature. The status update window will show for your current year. If you would like to change your year, you can use your Show Year drop-down menu to select a different year for different status updates. Once your year has been selected, you'll need to select which month your status report is for. The status update report will be based on your created schedule. The first thing that you'll need to do is select the current phase the status report is in. You can then type in a summary for the period that you have selected in the period summary box. You can use the plus and minus signs to expand and retract your information pending how much you would like to see at the time. In the expanded phase, we will be able to add our actual start and end dates for each phase and milestone. Whereas in the schedule feature, we had added our planned start and end dates. The revised start and end dates also come from the schedule and are used to make changes to the schedule after the particular phase has already started. In the Information for Progress Report area, you can add details regarding the work performed on that phase that month, any work that was planned for that month and should be noted in the progress report, any action items regarding that phase, and any issues that should be reported. There should only be one active phase at a time. All other phases are either complete, inactive, or on rare occasions on hold. There should only be one phase, which is the active one, that has a percentage other than 0% as in inactive or 100% as in complete. You can also add pictures to the status update report for record purposes, but before you can do this, you will need to save the status update by selecting the Save icon and then selecting OK. Once saved, you can click on the Add a Picture link. Select the plus sign to add more pictures to this list. You can then select the Add File to search your PC for the picture you'd like to upload. Or you can also drag and drop the picture from a folder directly into the document upload box. Once all photos have been added to the document upload box, select the Upload icon. This will upload all documents to the status update report. You will have the option to index the photos in the digital library. In the description box, you can add a description, and you even have the ability to change the title if you would like to. Use the drop-down menu in the document type to select that your document type is a photo. Use the drop-down menus to select your contract number that this photo belongs to, as well as your CIP number. Once all necessary attributes have been filled in, select the Finish icon to add all this information to the digital library. Once all photos have been loaded and indexed and you have hit that Finish button, all of your photos have now been added to the status report. You can X out of the Upload box window. A status report or progress report can be created by selecting the status report icon. Your project should already be loaded into the Select Project box and Select Period box. But if it is not, or you'd like to choose a different project, use the drop-down menus to make these changes. If any changes were made, you'll need to select the View Report to regenerate the report. The project status report will show the planned, revised, and actual start and end dates for each phase and milestone, as well as the PM budget and any percent completes. The status report can be exported. Use the drop-down in the Select a Format menu to select how you'd like to export the report. Then select Export. When finished with the export and viewing the status report, go ahead and X out of the window. Back at the progress report screen, you can select Save and Close when satisfied with all status updates. In the status update window, we can see when each month was last updated and by who, as well as when each month has been approved and by who. At this point, you have now learned how to successfully update the status of any project and generate a monthly status or progress report. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.